ski house at PyeongChang. All skiing professionals and learners are here, not from local but you can say international also. This is the highest peak and snowy area of the South Korea, that is called PyeongChang, and here you can learn how to ski. You can see this line, this queue. These all are waiting for their turn. You can see how many are waiting. Today is Sunday and they all are waiting for their turn to go up via this gondola line, and when they will reach on the top of this mountain and these snowy mountains, so then they are using their ski. Precaution is always useful as a tip. These all are coming as a perfectionist and learner also. The world's best skiing schools are also here. If you want to learn the skiing, so you can also join these classes over here at PyeongChang. It's near about 45 kilometers distance from the Gangwon, and Gangwon is about 120 kilometers far from the capital of South Korea, that is Seoul, Incheon. Hemant Kumar Sharma, WAN International News Agency, PyeongChang, South Korea.